how to log out from other devices on Telegram. Welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how easy it is to get out of the devices with one in the application Telegram. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, open the Telegram application and go to the settings option. Then click on devices and we can see the various devices that are on your account in the application Telegram. To remove all active and inactive sessions on other devices, we just need to click on one of the devices and then press the red button, terminate session. But you may be given a plug that due to security reasons you cannot complete all your sessions, and in this case you will not be able to go out and complete the sessions you don't need. But otherwise, not all users in the application Telegram, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.